Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mrs. Nadia SPD MPD as Coordinator of Business Education. The Honorable Mr. Andi M. Sadat, MSc, PhD, and Mrs. Terilina Arvinta Monoarfa, SEMM as Supervisor. The Honorable Mr. Dr. Osdi Usman MBAS, Mrs. Ika Febrilia SEMM, and Mrs. Dewi Agustin Pratamasari SEMSM, as examining lecturer. Let me introduce myself. My name is M. Bagir from Business Education, Jakarta State University. In this occasion, I will present the result of my research with the title is Factor Affecting Panic Buying on Cooking Oil Product in Jabodetabek. First, in background, the amount of people consuming palm oil in the last year has fluctuated, which can be seen in the table next to that quote from Databook 2022. The highest consuming palm oil in April 2022 with 107 1,075 1,750 and the lowest is February 2022 with 1,035 3,050. On February 1, 2022, the government gave a breath of fresh air to the community by setting the highest retail price for cooking oil in the range of 11,500 Indonesian rupiah until 15,000 Indonesian rupiah for each page. A month later, on 9 March in 2022, the price of cooking oil was no longer as high as the highest retail price set by the government. And there were even some areas where people had difficulty finding cheap or expensive cooking oil. From Anwar 2022. In the case of scarcity of cooking oil, there are several reasons. The reason is due to the rising price of vegetable oil. Vegetable oil whose price is rising is called crude palm oil or CPO. Increase in the price of vegetable oil in the world makes cooking oil producers more interested in selling cooking oil abroad than domestically. Quote from Unair News 2022. Uncertainty about the existence of cooking oil raises concern for some people. Uncertainty about the existence of cooking oil can also invite panic buying on society. Panic buying has the meaning of situation where an individual or group purchase a product to buy store for a certain period of time because there is a condition that can threaten him. Quote from Santi in 2020. Next, with research question is based on the background above. The research question are: one, is uncertainty has positive and significant influence of panic buying cooking oil product? Two, is anxiety has positive and significant influence of panic buying? Three, is perceived scarcity has positive and significant influence on panic buying cooking oil product? Four, is anticipated regret has positive and significant influence on panic buying? Five, is perceived price has positive and significant influence on panic buying? Six, is uncertainty has positive and significant influence on anxiety cooking oil product? Seven, is perceived scarcity has positive and significant influence on anxiety? 8 is perceived scarcity has positive and significant influence on anticipated regret cooking oil product. 9 is uncertainty has positive and significant influence on panic buying cooking oil product mediated by anxiety. 10 is anticipated perceived scarcity has positive and significant influence on panic buying cooking oil product mediated by anxiety. 11 is perceived scarcity has positive and significant influence on panic buying cooking oil product mediated by anticipated regret. Next is objective research. In this research, objective research are as follow: what to find out the positive and significant influence anxiety to panic buying. 2 to find out the positive and significant influence anxiety to panic buying. 3 to find out the positive and significant influence perceived scarcity to panic buying. 4 to find out the positive and significant influence anticipated regret to panic buying. 5 to find out the positive and significant influence perceived scarcity to panic buying. 6 to find out the positive and significant influence uncertainty to panic buying to anxiety. 7 to find out the positive and significant influence perceived scarcity to anxiety. 8 to find out the positive and significant influence perceived scarcity to anticipated regret. 9 to find out the positive and significant influence uncertainty to panic buying cooking oil product mediated by anxiety. 10 to find out the positive and significant influence perceived scarcity to panic buying mediated by anxiety. 11 to find out the positive and significant influence perceived scarcity to panic buying mediated by anticipated regret. The next is benefit of research. The benefit that research expect from the result of this research as result the theoretical one the theoretical it is hoped that this research will be useful in working similar research topic or and provide additional related knowledge panic buying, uncertainty, anxiety, anticipated regret, perceived scarcity, and perceived price. In practical, the research can be useful for dealing with similar situation. This research can be used as an evaluating in dealing with situation that could possibly occur panic buying in some product, especially in look uncertainty, perceived scarcity, anxiety, anticipated regret, and perceived price. Next is supporting theory. 1. Panic buying. From Santiago 2020, panic buying is a situation where consumer buys an item to store, sometimes due to condition that threaten him. 2. Uncertainty. Uncertainty in general is often interpreted as condition of doubt, and uncertainty can also because the information and knowledge received by individual is invalid or imperfect, by Luna and Mujianto in 2022. Anxiety from Dharma in 2019 says anxiety is a condition where there is an excessive fear or worry about a condition which can make the individual anxious about that condition. Gupta in 2013 identifies perceived scarcity as the perception of shortcoming of a product experienced by consumers for certain types of products. Anticipated regret by Abraham and Sheeran 2003 defined as a belief about whether or not feeling of regret or resentment will follow from some action. Perceived price from Jiang and Jiang in 2007 is the price perceived of or felt by a customer based on their evaluation of the relative price or of a product or service. Next is the theoretical framework of this research with 11 hypotheses. Next is previous research from hypothesis 1 to hypothesis 11. Next is hypothesis. In hypothesis 1, uncertainty have a positive and significant effect on panic buying cooking oil product. Hypothesis 2, anxiety have positive and significant effect on panic buying cooking oil product. Hypothesis 3, perceived scarcity, positive and significant effect on panic buying. 4, anticipated regret, have positive has and significant effect on panic buying. 5, perceived price, positive and significant effect on panic buying cooking oil product. 6, uncertainty, positive and significant effect on anxiety cooking oil product. 7, perceived scarcity, positive and significant effect on anxiety. 8, perceived scarcity, positive and significant effect on anticipated regret. 9, uncertainty has positive and significant influence on panic buying cooking oil product mediated by anxiety. 10, perceived scarcity has positive and significant influence on panic buying cooking oil product mediated by anxiety. Perceived scarcity, positive and significant effect panic buying cooking oil product mediated by anticipated regret. Next is research method. Time in January 2023 until December 2023. Place in Jabodetabek. Design is quantitative. Population respondent with domicile at Jabodetabek. Sample respondent Jabodetabek people who are cooking and have trouble getting cooking oil product in 2022. Data collection with online questionnaire with 6-point Likert scale, and data analysis technique is 4 tests: 1, validity test; 2, reliability test; 3, model feasibility test; and 4, hypothesizing test. Next is instrument development. 1 is uncertainty instrument adapt for Charlton, Bristol, and Whiting. Instrument uncertainty are follow. 1, unexpected event make me upset. 2, I get frustrated when I don't get information I need. 3, in my opinion, one must have ability to predict to avoid surprise due to the unexpected. 4, unexpected things can often ruin plans that have been I made previously. 5, I might want to come to know what happened in the future. 6, when I'm not sure about something, I can make a good decision. 7, I feel I like to stay away from an uncertain situation. From scarcity, adapted from Chen, Song, and Zhang. The perceived scarcity instrument is as follows. 1, for me, being able to get the product that I want will make me successful. 2, being able to get product in times of scarcity make me feel an extraordinary sense of accomplishment. 3, when I see a product being sold for limited time, I want to buy it immediately. 4, being able to get the product at the limited time makes me satisfied. 5, after careful consider, I think the condition of product scarcity is interesting thing. 6, when I receive the information about the discount on product for a limited time, encourage me to take initiative to buy. 7, when I get information about the product discount for a limited time, I won't miss it. Next, from anxiety, adapt from Cheng, Sarti, and Yafuz. Anxiety instrument as follow. 1, I felt panic when I have to buy product in urgent situation. 2, I feel helpless if I suddenly run out of cooking oil product I want. 3, I feel anxious when I have to get cooking oil products as soon as possible. 4, I feel anxious when I have little time to get cooking oil product that I want. 5. I often I often choose to have a supply of cooking oil product at home. 6. If possible, I will take the time of shop for cooking oil product. 7. I don't care when people think about the anxiety I felt about the scarcity of cooking oil product. 8. I don't feel afraid if I can get cooking oil product. In anticipated regret, will adapt from being Gupta and well. 1. I would feel annoyed if I had to wait to get cooking oil product. 2. I would be annoyed if I end up shopping getting the cooking without getting the cooking oil product. 3. I would be annoyed if I miss buy cooking oil product that I would like. 4. I feel that if I miss out on buying cooking oil product now, I will regret it later. 5. I will feel disappointed if I don't decide to buy cooking oil product. 6. I won't be upset if I had to stop to buy cooking oil product. In perceive scarcity, adapt from Tung, Patrick, and Zilman is as follow 7 instrument, which is one consumer can understand change in the price of cooking oil product. 2. I think the price change pure due to production cost factor. 3. The change of cooking oil price that occur are considered normal. 4. The pricing of cooking oil product makes sense. 5. Determining the price of cooking oil product is fair decision. 6. Cooking oil product pricing is acceptable. 7. I accept change in the price of cooking oil product. 8. I understand the change in the price of cooking oil product. From panic buying, adapted from Leeds and Quinto are as follow. The fear of not getting cooking oil product make me want to buy more. 2. I panic when cooking oil product were no longer available on the market, so I prefer to buy them in a large quantity. 3. In feeling of often push me to buy more than usual. 4. Feeling of uncertainty affect my shopping habit. 5. One way to deal with uncertainty is make sure I have the necessary product at home. 6. Concern prompt me to buy cooking oil product to stock up at home. 7. Feeling of anxiety often encourage me to buy more than usual. Next is respondent profile. In this research, have 3,050 315 in domicile. Jakarta dominate domicile with 176 or 55.9%. In gender, women dominate with 2,217 or 68.9%. In age, 21 until 30 years dominate with 258 point or 51.9%. In job status, respondent work dominate by 100 184 or 58.5. In income, respondent dominate by income 3 until 5 with 123 or 39 points. In merit status, respondent not merit yet with 258 point or 81.80.9%. In difficult phase, respondent difficult on oil product are out of stock with 2034 or 74.3%. In validity test, in this research, calculating the validity test using application which the C calculation, the result factor loading is the result. So higher 0.35, the statement is valid. Quote by Hair et al. In 2019. In variable uncertainty, has 7 statements distributed to respondent. All of these statements were declared valid because factor loading higher than 0.35. In perceived scarcity has 7 statements and the result has 6 statements said to be valid and 1 statement is invalid. In code PS5 with indicator after the careful considering, I think the condition of product scarcity is interesting thing. In this indicator is not valid because factor loading lower than 0.35. In anxiety, have 8 statement and all of the statement were declared valid. And anticipate regret have 6 statement and all of the statement were declared valid. The perceived scarcity has 8 statement and all statement were declared valid because factor loading higher than 0.35. And panic buying has 7 statement and all statement declared were valid. Next is reliability test. In this research, to calculate the reliability test using SPSS application by quoting from Higher et al. Korchbah alpha has a minimum 0.5, then the variable can be set to be reliable. So the table beside show that all variable in the study are reliable because have Kornbach alpha greater than 0.7. Next is model feasibility test. To test feasibility of model in the study, used by the goodness of fit indices. The result which is can be shown below. This is a standard of goodness of fit in this research has result the information is good fit. Next is direct influence. In direct influence in this study, in hypothesis testing, this research tests direct and indirect research. In direct influence, in this study there were 8 cases of direct influence. The hypothesis can be accepted if p-value lower than 0.05. The table on this side show that there are 6 hypotheses that have p-value lower than 0.05, which is there are six accept hypotheses and 2 hypotheses are rejected. Hypothesis was rejected. One is hypothesis 1, uncertainty to panic buying, and 2, hypothesis 3, perceived scarcity and panic buying. In indirect influence, in this research are three hypotheses that test indirect influence between with variable anxiety and anticipated regret as mediating table. The table beside the show the anxiety and anticipated regret can play as its role as mediating variable. Next is conclusion. There is no direct effect between relationship uncertainty to panic buying. There is a positive influence between relationship anxiety to panic buying. There is no direct effect between the relationship perceived scarcity to panic buying. There is a positive and significant influence between relationship anticipated regret to panic buying. There is a negative and significant influence between perceived price panic buying. There is a positive and significant influence between relationship uncertainty to anxiety. There is a positive and significant influence between relationship perceived scarcity to anxiety. There is a positive and significant influence between relationship perceived scarcity to anticipated regret. There is a mediating influence anxiety in the relationship between uncertainty to panic buying to valuable product. There is mediating influence anxiety the relationship between perceived scarcity to panic buying. And there is mediating influence anticipated regret in the relationship between perceived scarcity to panic buying to valuable product. Next is implication. In the theory, based on the result of research has been carried, information is obtained that there no direct effect between relationship uncertainty to panic buying, connecting perceived scarcity to panic buying. Both relationship require help from a mediating variable. In the study, mediating variable is anxiety and anticipated regret, and found that anxiety can be increased the influence of relationship between uncertainty to panic buying and relationship between perceived scarcity to panic buying. Whereas anticipated regret can increase influence of the relationship perceived scarcity and to panic buying. On practical, based on the finding of the research, the variable that are quite important are anxiety and anticipated regret, where these two variables can change or mediate the relationship between other variables, which is mean in dealing with this situation, panic buying, it's hoped that consumers will not worry about running out of products. In this research, have research limitation. One, the research use a questionnaire as data collection tool, where sometimes questionnaire give a biased answer or often not show the actual situation. Two, the research have gap between the research period and the situation panic buying in the field. Three, the research object only focus on uncertainty and anxiety, perceived scarcity, anticipated regret, perceived price, and panic buying, so that value information obtained outside the object is not calculated. This research only focus on cocktail product when there are products that experience similar condition. Next recommendation for further research is one, data collection will be carried out while the situation is still a hot topic discussion. Two, test and add supporting theories that are relevant to research that are not yet in the research. Three, add potential variables such as personality and social influence or other potential variables that consider appropriate to the condition occurring in the field have been professional tests in the relationship to panic buying to see a phenomenon panic buying in the different field. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.